I'm Scott. Today, I'm going to show you Hershey's chocolate tour. It's like a ride and it shows you how chocolate is made. So, now that I've shown you what there is, I'm going to go do it. Well, I'm at Hershey's chocolate tour, so I'll go in. We're almost at the top of the ramp. So, from here, there are a bunch of windows. So from here, you can all see all of Chocolate World. By the way, that way you're not supposed to go down. That way down leads straight to the room where you pick up your pictures after the ride. The green doesn't fall far from the tree.
This is all new.
It is?
Yeah.
It takes 270 beans to make 1 pound of chocolate. Cocoa beans.
Yeah, we've always gone downstairs. This is all new.
Yeah. There's the stairs.
Supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod.
Look at all those cocoa beans.
Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Oh, we're in the roasting chamber. Yeah, it's the roasting chamber. Oh, these are pictures of the real factory.
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving swapping roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shell with high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and run them outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of Hershey's milk chocolate. It's delicious and distinctive taste.
Machine.
Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. At the milk chocolate, we will support the delicious little pieces that we call chocolate shells.
It takes 1, 2, 3 real simple things. Stir it up, making the taste of love all over the world. Isn't it amazing how here comes the frosty part?
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Oh, look at all that chocolate.
These conching machines use thick granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumbs into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the
Comes the molding phase. We're gonna mold it into the shapes that you know.
After conching, we
Reese's
temper the
Cups,
milk chocolate,
Hershey chocolate
heating and
bars,
cooling it to just the
Hershey
right
Kisses
texture and
sweet.
consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a funky conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Look at all those pieces. Look at all those peanut butter cups. Look at all
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
That's a lot of
Like
chocolate.
Hershey's milk chocolate in special dog bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My Hershey's favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're
Gift
never far
packages.
from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that
But they're
with the
really
ones you love. Thank
on
you,
the shipping
everyone.
phase.
Bye.
Smile up ahead for your picture.
Okay, gang, time to go share some
Seeing all these lights at once is a little dizzying, but it's really neat. Look at all those pictures.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated.
Well, I'm off the ride, and there's a lot of construction going on out that window. And there's my two little brothers looking at it. There's me over there getting a milkshake. By the way, those milkshakes are delicious. You can see the construction even better from this window. I guess they're building a new ride or something because I didn't see any signs that said what they're building. But there's a lot of construction going on. I'm just taking a survey on how much I like chocolate. What made you feel valued as a guest on Hershey's Chocolate? I guess that's it for Hershey's Chocolate. See you next time. Bye!